Snyder Manufacturing is an American manufacturer of high-performance laminated fabrics, PVC-coated mesh, extruded films, and military specification fabrics. Each roll of Snyder fabric is made from high-quality materials and produced in the United States at our facility in Dover, Ohio. Since our founding in 1951, we have used an innovative manufacturing philosophy with a strong commitment to understanding the needs of our customers. As a vertically integrated company, we make each component of our end product, including compounding and extruding film, knitting and weaving scrim, making adhesive, and laminating the finished product. The efficiency of our process provides lead times you can count on. We stand behind our product quality, customer service, and loyalty to you. Our customer-focused approach means you will never worry about the quality of our product or lack of communication. Our dedicated customer service team ensures you stay up to date on orders and assist with any questions you have in a timely manner. All Snyder products undergo rigorous quality control, so every roll of fabric exceeds expectation with consistent performance, durability, and reliability. Our high-performance vinyl fabrics, mesh, and film serve the athletic, awning, construction, industrial, military, sign media, and tent structure markets. Most of our mil-spec fabric is Berry Amendment compliant. Are you working on a custom project? Try one of our engineered solutions. We offer R&D consulting, custom product design, custom color matching, military specifications, and certifications. Contact us today to discuss your industrial fabric needs at 330-343-4456 or visit our website at snyderman.com.